Think space is silent? Think again. The sun isn't just a ball of light. It's a screaming monster. Sound can't travel in a vacuum, but NASA captured the sun's vibrations and translated them into audio. Listen to this. Insert 2 seconds of low solar hum/roar. That roar comes from a beast so massive, you could fit 1.3 million Earths inside it. It's not just big, it's terrifying. At its core, it hits 15 million degrees Celsius. It's a giant nuclear reactor, burning 600 million tons of hydrogen every single second. Every bit of life on Earth depends on this constant, violent explosion happening 93 million miles away. If that solar roar gave you chills, hit that subscribe button for more cosmic secrets.